So, dear student, good morning. I'm Sundar Singh. Welcome you on my YouTube YT session. And in this session, I'm going to let you know the relevancy and efficacy of the global vaccine. So, I'm not only going to discuss the efficacy of global vaccine. Apart from this one, some Indian vaccines are the part of discussion in this segment. Apart from this one, I'm going to let you know that how I'm just incorporated with an academy at this point of time, and how many batches we are going to launch shortly on an academy platform. There are some huge offers from the part of an academy in these segments. So I'm going to elaborate all the stats respectively. So stay tuned and I try to learn something new out here. So it is my humble request, please share this video as maximum you can from your part, and at the same time try to equip yourself with a sense of new information. So now let's start. So dear student, as you can see out here, the title as indicated in itself, that is top COVID vaccine of world. And now let me give some highlight in this context. So as you can see, Johnson and Johnson, okay, it's an American company, okay, and it is a point of disconnect across the globe that the vaccine of Johnson and Johnson, they are highly authentic in terms of efficacy, in terms of relevancy. So Johnson and Johnson is an American company. First, we have to understand this thing out here, and the name of the vaccine that is manufactured by Johnson in the wake of COVID, pandemic of COVID vaccine, it is said to be, that is Janssen. Okay, so this question may be come in the examination. The name of the Johnson and Johnson vaccine for the COVID vaccine is Janssen is there. So you can understand from here to this, and it's the COVID vaccine. It has been confirmed. Apart from this one, I would like to relate something more, that it's a one-shot vaccine. So the salient feature of this vaccine is one-shot vaccine, one-dose vaccine. So patient need to take only one dose in this one. If you talk about the side effects of this vaccine, so let me justify some stats. Redness of the skin. So there are some red spots on the skin on account of this one. It may be a side effect. Swelling may be there on the part of the vaccine where it has been injected in the body. Headache may be there. I'm feeling very tired, and sometimes fever is also there, as we have been witnessed in other vaccines scenarios. So likewise, it may be over here. So dear students, these are the side effect of this vaccine. And please keep in the mind, Johnson & Johnson company is quite noted across the global society for the manufacturing of baby products. Apart from this one, in many sector, okay, it is it has its own relevance or name. Now let me proceed further. If you talk about efficacy, or effectiveness of this one, that is 85%. 85% regarding the patient of COVID. So it prevents the 85%, in terms of ratio to the disease, especially the COVID disease or SARS disease. So dear student, it is the hot topic of the debate right now, the Johnson and Johnson. If you talk about in the same segment, the second one is Russian-made vaccine, that is Sputnik. We all people are well aware of that Russian and American, they have some sorts of competition in every sector, whether it's space research or science and tech and development of arsenal. Likewise in defense sector as well, you might have heard or seen or read. So in the manufacturing sector, we can say Sputnik COVID vaccine, they have also the same kind of feeling. So Sputnik 5 is Russian made. It is quite evident from here. And if we talk about the some characteristics of this one, so it has two doses. It means a patient needs to take two doses for this one. Okay. And if you emphasize on the side effect of this one, so fatigue is also there, joint pain is also there, headache, muscle ache, or sometimes fever. So these are the symptoms in the form of side effects. Okay. So one has to face these things after taking the one or two doses of Sputnik 5. And we might have seen in India, it has been manufactured at a very large scale across the country. Okay, not Serum institutions, some other institutions are also producing this, we can say. And Dr. Reddy, is the first company in India which has taken the responsibility of manufacturing of this unit, or this vaccine. If we come to know the efficacy of this one, 95% efficacy is there. Okay, so we cannot deny by its relevancy on the ground of accuracy. Yes, it is there. But at the same time, we have to understand which has the less side effect to the human body. So we should try to conceive that you can say vaccine for ourselves. Now let me justify further. In this one, Covishield is also there, which is quite popular, and the second name of Covishield is AstraZeneca. Okay, and it is a joint venture of two, you can say, two companies. That is, one is from the Export UK and Serum Institute of India. So collaboratively, two, you can say, institution, or you can say medical establishment, have manufactured this you can say vaccine. And so far you can say doses are concerned, two doses are there for the patient. Okay, and in terms of side effects, you can say mild fever, body pain, allergic reaction, or feeling very tired. They are the general symptoms after taking the vaccine shots. If we talk about the efficacy of this one in the global scenario, or as per the standard of WHO, World Health Organization, the accuracy of this vaccine has been ascertained, that is 76% in terms of effectiveness. Okay, in the wake of preventive diseases. So now you can make comparative analysis among all these, you can say, vaccine on the ground of efficacy. But we have not to forget one thing out here: side effects. Okay, they should be in our account before taking the vaccine. In the same sequence or in the same segment, we have Covaxin, COVID, okay, vaccine. So Covaxin is also there. That is quite noted in global, I can say, in Indian scenario, and it is a manufacturing, you can say element, or you can say vaccine of, you can say, Indian company. So it is manufacturing pure in India, and the manufacturer of this company is Bharat Biotech. You might have heard regarding this one. Okay, Covaxin, basically in terms of doses, it comprises two doses to a patient, right Ji? And in the context of side effects, redness of skin, swelling, headache, feeling very tired, sometimes fevers, they are the, you can say, main symptoms after taking the, you can say, vaccine. Now the government of India is trying its best to take the permission, or you can say grant, in the context of this vaccine from the part of WHO. And recently you might have heard through the international media that government of US has denied to give its approval to the Covaxin. There might be some diplomatic or some, you can say, other reasons, but so far the performance of this vaccine on the, you can say, Indian scenario is concerned, so that is authentic. Okay, the response, overall response is quite good with respect to other vaccine. And in terms of efficacy, 85% efficacy is there in preventing disease, and that is not so bad. Efficacy is very high with respect to others. So dear student, these were the general information regarding vaccine, and this is the very first part I try to make in the context of vaccine performances and their side effects. In the same scenario, in the same series, I would like to introduce, okay, second part of the vaccine, okay, and that I will also elaborate some more vaccine in addition to these ones. Now let me give some more information about the Unacademy. You might be knowing I'm the part of Unacademy at this point of time, and regarding that one, I'm going to let you know how many batches we are going to launch, okay, from tomorrow onwards, and which courses and which offers are being produced or given by the Unacademy to the students. So let me state from 16 June onwards, okay, there are some batches which are about to start on Unacademy. You can say 16 June is there, right Ji? So if you are looking for the, you can say, admission over here, so definitely you go for that. You can take the admission. And now let me tell you how many batches and the name of the batches in the respective terms. But before coming on that, I would like to relate 30 plus batches are being launched on Unacademy every week. 40K plus recorded content you can find out there. Regardless, 300 plus classes a day you can see out there, and 20K practice questions are simply available for the students. Apart from this one, 70 plus educators are involved in all these, you can say, educational activities on the platform. Dear students, now let me justify. Team Phonics is a batch in which you can enroll by taking the admission on the plus segment, and likewise Brahmastra batch is also there. Okay, so all these examinations, you can say, batches are pondering on the preparation of government examinations in India. Apart from this one, Safalta batch is also there for SSC, CGL and CTSS. So all these segment of competitive exams are being covered, either it's a CHSL, or you can say CPO, CGL, or you can say Stano. So we have made available all the batches for all the students. Sankalp batch is also there. You can go through this one if you want to enhance your knowledge. And likewise, we have the foundation batch. Okay, you can just study out there. But so far, English is concerned on the platform on Academy. That is my responsibility. You need not go there. Anywhere, on any platform. Wi-Fi batch is also there, right? Ji? Wi-Fi batch also there. Final punch is also there. So you can go for that. And we have several batches as I mentioned over here. Now let me give some highlights regarding the mega offers which have been introduced by our concept platform recently. So mega subscription offer is there if you are looking for 12-month or you can say 24-month admission, 1 year or 2 years. So you can get the relaxation of 4 months additionally in the form of you can say top up. And so far fees is concerned, that is 5850. Likewise, bumper discount is also there for SSC and railway. It is said to be combo offer, and for 12 months, that is means 1 year, you can take the relaxation of 75%. Okay, and so far fees is there, that is 660. We have also the CET, that is I can say bank or SSC combo batch. For 1 year and 2 years, you can go for 6 months, you can say additionally top up, I mean extra duration, and 980 is the fees of theirs. If you are looking for combo, I miss SSC, CK banking, RBI, railways, okay, all the preparation on this at a single time on the same platform. So you can choose 1 year subscription time, 35% discount you can avail of at the same time, and 14,000 something is fees regarding this one. Now let me justify further. If you are looking for merely SSC, so you can get the 4-month additional time, okay, in terms of relaxation in the you can say SSC, and 5940 is the fees in this context. In the same sequence, I would like to relate on every Sunday we have the very inclusive segment, that is Unacademy scholarship test, and you must be the part of this one because you have the opportunity to win 1 crore you can say direct scholarship from this platform. Okay, so you should not miss this opportunity. It is one of the you can say highly decisive segment to grab. And let me introduce some basic concept profile of this one. There are 36 questions in this one scholarship test, or in this one 50 minutes are there. So I think that is sufficient. I mean, you have to deal you can say with the you can say 36 question in 50 minutes, and that is quite a good mechanism. And you can say incorporate with this batch on every Sunday at 12 p.m. So 12 p.m. time is you can say very authentic time, and Sunday is obviously a holiday, so you can definitely take part in this one. Let's say you can appear in this test, or you can take this test through the Android also. It means by the phone you can also appear in this one, and test will take place in Hindi, English as well. And so far scholarship amount is concerned in the form of subscription, that will be 1 crore. Keep in the mind to this. Okay, let me proceed further in this one. Okay, and one of the mega offer I'm going to just let you know, that is CET preparation offer, say big on SSC plus banking, right G, up to 21% off. This is one of the mega offer you can accomplish. You can say you can grab 6 plus 6 additional month absolutely free. 6 plus 6, right G, 6 from banking and 6 from SSC. So it's a mega offer, right G, 1 year or 2 year subscription. And let me introduce the fees. Subscription 1 year fees, old price this one and new price this one 7,999, and 2 year, that is old price this one and new price is this one 999, right G, 2 years. So we are giving huge advantage, huge relaxation in terms of fees. So you must avail, okay, yourself of you can say this relaxation. And let me introduce one thing out here. Price hike is coming soon. So before you can say price hike, you must grab this you can say opportunity. You can apply my code Sundar SSC, SUNDAR Sundar SSC. And if apply this you can say code Sundar SSC SUNDAR, so at the same time you can grab 10% you can say discount on the total amount of subscription. Okay, so there are a lot of relaxations from all the parts, from all the can say facets, from all the sides. So you should not miss this opportunity. You must take the admission in Unacademy Plus. You can also follow me out on Unacademy. You can follow me out so that you can get the you can say message regarding the free classes of ours. Okay, and let me introduce apart from this one, if you are looking for 1 year admissions of 4-month top up is also there. two years admission if you are seeking out. So at the same time, you can grab 4 months. You can say additionally, you can say month time is also there. And so far, SSC plus railway is concerned altogether. So you can also choose this one as per your convenience. And in the context of fees, 6660 fees is out there, right? So there are several things to you can say learn and several things to you can say exercise. It depends on you people what exactly you are looking for and you are choosing upon. 6 month, if you are looking for renewal offer, in the 6 month duration, you can say subscription, you can get 2 months top up, and in 1 year you can get 4 month top up, you can say additionally. And fees is also mentioned there. And I have already spoken, I have already stated so far that if you are looking for multiple combo offer in SSC, banking, RBI, railways, you can go for this one. Okay, so what is my take in this statics in this context? You definitely must grab this kind of opportunity. You should not miss this one. You can also recommend to your friends, your brothers, sisters, your cousins, your relatives. If they are looking for admission in this lockdown time, in this pandemic time, they must grab this opportunity for the time being. Okay. And dear student renewal offer, I have already stated out this one. And this one is the SSC plus banking. And pertaining to this, I have already stated out, okay, all the stats in terms of fees and relaxations. So 6 months is there for the E segment, and 1 year, 2 year you can set relaxations in the subscription. Sorry. Unveil, we have let you know in the Unveil several things. The new products are, we can say, our an academy, and you have come to know by those mega event. And about the scholarship test, I have already let you know 1 crore you can say rupee you can earn, you can say win in this one by taking part simply. So there is no you can say obstacle, there is no hurdle. And about my batches, one of my batches running at this time at 9 a.m. in the morning, and so far duration is concerned that is 1 hour only. And likewise we have the another batch that is 12 noon, so you can also incorporate with this one. 1 hour is also there. Okay, this is for the grammar practice and this is for the vocabulary in terms of theory. And so far our next batch is concerned that is on June 16, 7 p.m. So you can also you can say enroll in this one for the upliftment of your knowledge, for the enhancement of your knowledge, right Ji? And now let me justify, already I have spoken on these batches. Okay, you can use my code Sundar SSC. Okay, and by using this one you can get at the same time 10% you can say discount from the subscription fee. Now let me justify how you can be the part of an academy by following these steps. Step 1 is there that you can make a tick mark over here, come directly on this you can say segment, and you will find this page before you people. You can choose 1 or 2 year respectively as per your you can say financial you can say convenience. And over here you can enter you can say Sundar SSC. Okay, this is my referral code. Okay, referral code, and by using this referral code you can get at the same time 10% discount, flat discount. In addition to this one, if you are looking for more discount, so you can add you can say credit points here you can apply. So by this one you can get also 8%. So aggregate discount will be 18%. Okay, and by taking this huge you can say discount, you can also have some more you can say segment that you can take the benefit of time relaxation top up, which I simply spoke 5 minutes back. So dear student, this was all about for the now, and for the second session of our you can say vaccine, I will incorporate you shortly. Thank you so much for being with us. Namaskar.